So we need to solve y equals negative x plus 3 and y equals x plus 5 by graphing. So in order to do this, we need to graph both lines. So over in the top right-hand corner of your notes, you notice you have steps for graphing. The first thing you always do is plot the y-intercept. Thankfully, our two equations are already solved for y, so we're going to do this with this first equation. My y-intercept is plus 3, so I'm going to go up to positive 3 and put a point there. And my second step is I use my slope to rise and run. Remember, your slope is always the number in front of x, which in this particular problem is a negative 1. So if my slope is negative 1, I'm going to make that into a fraction and put it negative 1 over 1. Directionally, the negative 1 on top tells me I need to go down. And the one on bottom, which is my run, is positive, so I need to go to the right. So from the point I've already plotted, I need to go down 1 and right 1 and put a point. And then I need to go down 1 and right 1 and put another point. And I need to continue this pattern of going down 1 and right 1 and down 1 and right 1 and down 1 and right 1 until I can't do that anymore. The opposite of going down and right is to go up and left. So I could also, starting back at the beginning point, go up and left, and I would end up on the exact same line. So up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. And now I have my first line, which I am going to make green. So this is my first line. So I'm going to do the same thing for my second equation. I'm still going to use the same colors, but I'm going to use a little bit different shades. So I have a blue, a little bit lighter blue, that I'm going to use to plot my first y-intercept, which is positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put a point here. And my slope for this one is the 1 that's in front of x, so that's 1. I'm going to make it into a fraction over 1. They're both positive, so directionally I need to go up and right. Well, if I go up 1 and right 1, that's as high as I can go. I'm off the graph now. So the opposite of going up and right is I could also go down and left. So going back to my starting point, I'm going to go down 1 and left 1. And 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 I'm going to connect this line in yellow. And so we're looking for our solution. Remember, our solution is the point where the lines meet, which is here. So the solution is where the lines intersect. And for this problem, that is the point. Starting at 0, I go left 1, so that's negative 1. And then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So my ordered pair is negative 1, 4. That is my solution.